So I want to share with you guys two apples you probably never even heard before. And the first up, I got the Hidden Rose apple. Check out the color on this. It's red inside. Isn't that amazing? Now online it's supposed to have like a pink lemonade taste, and it does have a like acidic taste to it. It's definitely not my favorite tasting apple out there, but it definitely is the prettiest apple out there, I gotta say, just for the color of it. It's kind of crazy when I was first time I bit into it, I didn't even think nothing of it. I was like, oh, it's a different kind of apple I've never had before. I'm just gonna try it out, sample it out. And I was at the wholesaler, and yeah, so I just picked it up, ate it, and I didn't even think nothing of it. I gave it to a friend. I was like, yeah, try out the apple. It's not my favorite. And I looked down. I was like, oh, it's red. It's red on the inside. I was like, that's crazy. So and they got kind of mad at me because for a half a box of apples, it's $50. $50 is the most expensive apple in the world right here that I know of. Check that out. Man, I love the color on it. To me, it's not worth the price. The color is really cool. I maybe use one of these or two of these for to decorate your fruit salads or whatnot. But I tell you one apple that is my favorite apple in the whole world, and that's the Green Dragon apple. Check this out. That's what it looks like. And it's super sweet. It's got an awesome crunch to it. It almost has like a pineapple taste to it. I did buy a case of these. They're a little bit they're a little bit expensive. They're $32 for a half a case. I'd split it with a friend, which is a good idea. If you want to try out a fruit you never tried before, but they're really expensive, grab a friend, grab a couple of them, have like a little fruit party. So definitely one of my favorite apples. You guys got to look for. I don't know where they carried these around in the Chicagoland area or anywhere else in the world. I think somebody did tell me they have these in overseas in Europe. So definitely, these are one of the best apples in the world, the Green Dragon apple. Definitely one of the coolest names out there. There is a Rambo apple out there. But definitely check this out. That's so good. Definitely my favorite apple in the world.